Former President Donald Trump was in a Florida court again today. His attorneys argued to have the charges in the classified documents criminal case against him dismissed.
Meantime, the judge in a case in Georgia is weighing another motion Trump's attorneys have now filed. CBS News correspondent Natalie Brandt has the details from Washington.
Outside the federal courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida Thursday, former President Trump's supporters gathered as he and lawyers arrived for a hearing to try and get the classified documents case dismissed.
There are basically two motions to dismiss that are on the docket for today, where Judge Cannon said, clear the day, we're going to talk about both of these.
Attorneys spent the morning discussing Trump's motion that the statute he's been charged with is unconstitutionally vague. Judge Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee, signaled skepticism, telling Trump's attorney declaring a statute unconstitutionally vague is an extraordinary step. Trump's legal team also contends the former president is shielded from prosecution by the Presidential Records Act, arguing he was still the president when many of the documents were packed and delivered to Mar-a-Lago. Prosecutors say the act does not exempt Trump from criminal law or entitle him to declare highly classified presidential records are personal.
In the Georgia election interference case, the judge there tossed out 3 of the 13 counts against the former president, but legal analysts say most of that case remains intact.
The crux of the case remains the racketeering, which is the core of the case. All of those charges stand. But the prosecution could fairly easily go to a grand jury and say, we are going to add that specificity now.
Judge Scott McAfee has not yet ruled on whether District Attorney Fani Willis should be removed from the case over a romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Washington.
Well, also today, there is a new development in another criminal case against former President Trump. New York prosecutors say they are willing to delay the beginning of his hush money criminal trial by up to 30 days. They say that will give the former president's lawyers time to review evidence that was only recently turned over. Trump is charged with falsifying business records and an illegal scheme to pay an adult film star, Stormy Daniels, for her silence. Now, the judge has yet to rule on whether to delay the start of the trial. Jury selection is scheduled to begin March 25th.